Hello farms, how are you all doing? I hope you're doing well. So today I'm back with another video. I want to cook a massive egusi soup. So this is an intro. Now I want to show you some of the ingredients. So if there's anyone again that is going to come up, I'm going to show you. So here is the stock fish. I've already soaked it in the water. Yeah. Then this is the red meat, the beef we are going to use for this. I've washed it. And this is the egusi. You can see it's just 1 bucket of custard. Yeah, it's full one. And this is the crayfish. And here is the oil. So in this pot, I'm already cooking a pomo. That is the cow skin and the part of the meat, that is the intestine. So it's a little bit strong, so I'm already cooking it. I put onions and the pepper and the stock cube in. I don't know if you're seeing it because of the smoke. So other things will come up. Let me go and blend the egusi and the other things that's supposed to blend. That is crayfish. Then I'll come back when the food is about to start. Okay, so after this I will now do the red meat and the stock fish. I want to do it separately. Okay, let this one cook first, then I will now cook the other one separately. As I told you, it's a massive egusi soup. Yeah, it's for party. Okay, so see you when I come back. As I want to show you something, I wash this egusi. Yeah, I do wash it. Please always wash it, because if you see what comes out from this egusi, you don't like to eat food outside. So I also wash the crayfish. Yeah, so I'm going to blend them now with the pepper. Okay, always wash, always wash. Wash it. Then during summer I normally wash it and dry it and keep it, so anytime I want to cook I will just maybe blend it dry. But this one now I'm going to add water to blend it, because as you can see it's wet. Boiling the red meat, that is the beef and the stock. So this stock doesn't take too much time. That is why I've already soaked it for some time. So what I did is that I removed the other meat I'm cooking. That is the cow skin and the cow stripes, everything. So I use the same water. So all I did here now is to add onions. You know, farms, I love onions, so I'll allow it to cook now. So I'm not going to put another stock because it's okay. So what I do now, I'll cover it and cook. Okay, so here is my egusi. I'm going to add it. This is crayfish, blended crayfish. So I'm going to put the oil. Okay, let's see this one, how it goes. I'm going to cover it and allow it to boil. Okay, I want to put this is dry bitter leaf. I want to put dry bitter leaf. So I have the cow skin that I've boiled is already done, so it's now I am adding it. Okay, so let's cover it. And the food, the soup is getting ready. So farms, this egusi soup is done. So it's to off it now. It's done. Thank you for staying with me. Thank you. God bless you. Don't fail to subscribe and like the video if you like it. God bless you.